How to make a sticker on Snapchat without screenshotting. First is to launch the Snapchat application. Once the screen opens, swipe up from the main screen. Then proceed to camera roll, and then from here select the photo that you want to transform into a sticker. Then tap the pencil icon, which you can find on the lower left corner. And then from here you will see a list of icons from the right side of your screen. Select the scissors icon to make a sticker. So in this page, you can manually make an outline for the sticker using this draw arrow, or you can also make use of the rectangle or ellipse option to help with the outlining of your sticker. So just shade the portion of the picture that you want to turn into a sticker, and then tap the Done button found on the upper right corner. Now your customized sticker has been generated, so you can drag the sticker anywhere in your Snap. To find more of your customized stickers, just tap the note icon found on the right side of your screen, and then tap the scissors icon. So in here you will find more of the stickers that you have generated. And so that is how you make a sticker on Snapchat without screenshotting. Thank you and have a great day.